Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Google Chrome from opening apps on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Click on three dots on the top right corner, select Other Setting. Next, select Choose Default Apps. Now scroll down and tap Opening Links. Here you will see an option called Instant Apps. Also make sure this option is turned off. Next, find the app that Chrome keeps opening automatically. For example, if Chrome keeps opening the ChatGPT app when you click a link, tap on that app. Then disable Open Supported Links. You'll need to repeat this step for other apps as well. For example, if Chrome keeps opening Facebook, find the app and disable Open Supported Links there too. After doing this, links will stay in Chrome instead of opening other apps. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.